Bmw here. So if your battery keeps dying and you've replaced your alternator, replaced your battery, you replaced literally everything that you can think of electrically, there's a KBM central management unit. I think it's for the manages the whole electrical system of your whole car. I'll show you a picture right here. But if this goes bad, it could really be the reason for your issues. My problem is that, well, first you just take off 1, 2, 3, 4, remove those, and it's literally right there, right back there. Remove those clips and it'll pop right out. If you press that plastic piece, is mine, I broke mine on accident on that side, but and it slides right out, literally slides right out. So I'll post a picture, but basically, if you put a wrong fuse, for mine, someone put a 30 amp fuse in a 20 spot, and it blew my module. Once that was replaced, I mean, the car's perfect. Oh, you also have to code your battery. Make sure that your battery is coded to the right amp hours, because if it's not, that's also an issue. All right, peace.
Hey guys, I just wanted to add, if you don't jump your car properly and you jump your car from the trunk boot, you'll blow modules. You have to jump your car from the front post under the hood bonnet. They're there for a reason. All right, peace.